So we are going to replace our calm, collected president who wants to stop this corruption with a vice president that throws tantrums more than she works. I didn't like Lenny, but from the way I see it, she was a much better president than Sarah will ever be, not even close. I will never be a kakamping, don't get me wrong. I remember fully how much you insulted me, but at this point, if we're just talking about being vice president, Lenny was better. Oh, not because I'm a traitor to the Dutertes. I've made very clear, this is nothing personal. It's just honesty. Because I would rather stay at home than go out and rally to make the president resign, to destabilize the government, and then what? Replace people who are allergic to accountability. When PRRD himself is in the ICC because he wants to be accountable for the things his people did during his reign as president.
Facts yan. Kasi kung sasabihin nyo sa akin sa actual na pangyayari, si Lenny hindi mananalo bilang presidente. Pero nung naging vice president siya, may mga programa siya na buhay pa hanggang ngayon. 'Di ba? Mayor man siya ng Naga, pero national pa rin ang scope ng suporta sa kanya.
I didn't like Lenny, but from the way I see it, she was a much better president than Sarah will ever be, not even close. I will never be a kakamping, don't get me wrong. But at this point, if we're just talking about being vice president, Lenny was better. Oh, not because I'm a traitor to the Dutertes. I've made very clear, this is nothing personal. It's just honesty.
Nagugulat na lang ako sa fake news at sa mga nangaaway sa akin na busy kami dito sa Butuan City para sa birthday ng maliit na congressman na ito. May kaklaruhin lang po sana ako sa mga tao at para hindi naman po tayo na papabilib sa mga fake news. Una po sa lahat, ang People's Initiative po ay uulitin ko, hindi po ito galing sa opisina ni House Speaker Martin Romualdez. Okay? Di ba tinawag niyo na akong traidor? Di ba? Dahil supporter ako ng Tingog Party List at ni House Speaker Martin Romualdez. Siguro naman, if there was something like that, siguro naman ako ang pinakaunang mag-e-explain sa inyo. Di ho ba? Okay. Number two. Yung People's Initiative na yan, since dumating naman yan dito sa Butuan City at nabasa ko, I'm pretty sure sinalsal lang yan ng mga taong naninira kay Speaker dahil may word na the Speaker doon sa form na yon. But hindi po ibig sabihin na galing po ito sa opisina ni Speaker mismo. Klaro? Okay. Guys, para sa akin po, ang pagbabago at pag-amyenda po ng batas ay kailangan po talaga natin sa bansang ito. Ang problema, nauuna po ang fake news at pinapaniwala po kayo na may gagawing masama kay VP Sara Duterte para masira ang inisyatibong hindi naman sana dapat gamitin para sa ambisyon ng kahit na sino mang politiko. Ang kapangitan lang dyan dahil, 'di ba? Dahil parang lumalabas na si House Speaker Martin Romualdez lang ang tao sa gobyerno. Hindi naman siguro, 'di ba? Marami naman siguro, 'di ba? And just because there's a People's Initiative and just because it is being headed by Congress people or people in Congress, automatic si Speaker na? Where's your proof? 'Di ba? Huwag naman sanang ganon. Let me clarify this. When it comes to charter change, constitutional change, or whatever you call it, Senator Robin Padilla and I have been advocating for this ever since last year pa ho. Sumama pa po ako sa kanya sa Baguio, 'di ba? Nakita niyo po 'yon, 'di ba? Okay. Yung babaguhin lang po ang pag-amyenda po ng ating saligang batas since the 1930s. Kung saan kailangan pong pag-usapan ito ng Kongreso at Senado para po mabago ang mga economic provision sa ating saligang batas. 7 lang po iyon. 7. Wala pong pagtanggal kay VP Sara, wala pong paglagay kay Speaker bilang Prime Minister, wala pong ganun ni. Okay? Economic provisions lang po ito sa ating pong saligang batas para po pumasok ang pera, para po hindi po ganon kanakaririmarim ang estado ng atin pong ekonomiya sa bansang ito. Sana lang po bago kayo maghurimentado, sana bago nyo ako atakihin, sana bago nyo ako sinisiraan, 'di ba? Ako lagi kong sinasabi, wala akong kailangang idepensa sa mga Romualdez dahil wala naman silang sinasabing at ginagawang masama. Kalma, Tony. Pero ang hindi ko lang gusto is that you misinform the public, 'di ba? And you sort of put, 'di ba, Ma'am Sara in a light that she is being targeted. Wala pong kinalaman si VP Sara po. Okay? The People's Initiative, again, hindi po yan paninira kay VP Sara. Hindi rin po yan galing kay House Speaker Martin Romualdez. Kakatawa naman, 'di ba? Kung galing pala sa opisina niya tapos magugulat na lang ako na dumating na yan sa Butuan City, 'di ba? Ako, I signed the petition. Walang inabot, walang ayuda whatsoever. However, I signed the petition because it is needed for us to move forward with our economic provisions in this country. That we need foreign direct investments. That's that. The same thing that I advocated for, again, with Senator Robin Padilla since last year, who also heads the Senate board or group or whoever or whatever it's called on the amendments in our Constitution. Okay? Klaro po?